Fox 45 in the Kitchen, sponsored by Applegate Farms.
All right, this morning we're talking protein-packed after-school snacks for the kids. Ann Reynolds joins us in the kitchen with a recipe on how you can score some food for your kids.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, so what do we have? Because this is kind of unique. And I was a little bit surprised because it kind of looks like a unique sushi roll.
Yeah, and that's kind of what we're making turkey sushi today. And this is one of the recipes from Applegate's protein-packed back-to-school snack contest.
Okay,
and
so it is a contest.
Yes, this is one of the recipes you'll find on their website. But this is turkey sushi. But the great thing, so many people are really trying to eat healthier, clean meats and that type of thing. And that's what Applegate brings you.
Okay.
Are these meats that they're free of any nitrates, free of hormones, free of antibiotics. Great. So it's really good for your body and great for your family and your kids. So they have a whole variety. They actually have the ham, the roast beef, the turkey, and the chicken. Today we are going to use the turkey, and we are going to make turkey sushi. So we'll jump right in.
It's all about, I feel like with kids, getting them to eat healthy is all about sneaking the healthy stuff in, which is exactly what you've done here. So how do we make turkey sushi?
Yep, we're going to start out with some sliced cucumber, and we're just going to go right across here, maybe a couple slices. Add a few diced up carrots, and we're going to go across. Avocado always adds a little, that little bit of flavor. All you're going to do, once you get all of these laid on top of each other, on the bottom third of your turkey, you're going to roll it up, and seam down. We're going to take our knife here, and we are just going to cut it, and we are going to start to make some little slices. And you can do about 4 to 5.
Okay.
And that's it. So basically you've made little sushi, and if you look over here, we have some that are pre-made and standing up, really nice and pretty. But it's just something fun for the kids. Great coloring, they taste really good. There's also a sauce that goes along with it as well.
Okay, and this recipe we're gonna have on our website.
Yes.
But cute little way to keep it easy for the kids, little bite size. Tell me about the contest though. If somebody wants to enter, what can they do?
The contest, ABC 22, just go to the Facebook page, and if you're creative in the kitchen and like doing these type of things, you can actually win great prizes, up to $75 with an Applegate meat products.
Oh wow, okay.
And so it's just a fun way to do it, and they're gonna have 3 winners, so it's something you definitely want to check out. Also, those other recipes as well are there for families.
All right, good stuff. Thanks, Ann.